Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are all doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome back to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal University School Dayship. Now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is gap filling. In your exam question, there will be given some passage. In the passage, some gaps will be given. There will be 10 gaps. You have to fill up the gaps using the clue given in the table. So now let's start doing our exercise today. Our first one is read the text below and complete it with suitable words given in the box. In this box, the words are given. You have to pick up and select the words from here and fill the gaps. So I am going to fill up the gaps. You need to read out carefully to fill up the gap properly. First of all, I had been suffering from headache. So suffering from headache, it means that such kind of pain. Pain means what type of pain? Acute. So your answer should be here, acute headache. Right here, answer. Your first answer, number A, should be acute. Here is the word acute. Okay, number B, headache for a quite long. Long means it indicates time. So long time, the time is here. So B number should be time. Long time. So one day my father made an appointment with Dr. Islam over telephone, phone. So search the word, such kind of, is there any word telephone or phone? No, there is not given any word telephone, is given phone. So right here, phone. C number answer should be phone. Okay, his chamber is Danmondi. We know that because before a place name, we should use preposition at. So right here at, because at also is given here. Next, I went to Dr. Islam's with my father. Chamber is the word here, chamber. Islam chamber with my father. Then F number, we sat, the chamber was well decorated. We sat in the waiting room. The room also is given, waiting room. Okay, then G number, some other patients were also found. What do they do? They also waiting. Others found waiting. What is the waiting room? Here is the waiting word is here given. So other patients also were waiting for doctor. In the waiting room, there is a television set. There is a television set. Okay, some dailies and magazines for the recreation of the patients. Right here, patients, P-A-T-I-E-N-T as patients. When my turn came, I entered into the doctor's room. I entered into doctor's room. It's done. Now go to question number B. Cricket is a foreign game. Now right here answer. Cricket is a foreign game. It also an international game. At present is given here. At present, it has more popular. It has become more popular. Right here, become more popular. Football is, here is cricket, is all about cricket, and another name is football. Here is given another sports name. So cricket is compared with football. So it should be comparative degree then here. D number then. Popular than football in our country after winning the ICC trophy in Malaysia in 1996. This popularity has increased more. E number should be more. Okay, then so the children are seen. Children are seen. Children are seen what? Children are seen playing cricket here and there. Playing cricket here and there. We are proud that, the word is here, proud that Bangladesh has qualified for what? Qualified for playing. qualified to play one day international match, and we are going to take part. We are going to take part in World Cup 1999 in England. Okay, B number also is done. Now question number C. C number is here. It was about 3 p.m. We some classmates. A number should be classmates. Okay, we are on our way from home village. Here, what is the option number B? Home school. We are away home from school. Okay, number C. We were trying to cross the Mirpur road. Trying to cross the Mirpur road near the science laboratory. Near the science laboratory. A young boy was also crossing the road. Just at that moment, a truck was crossing at a great speed. At a great speed, the ill-fated boy noticed. The ill-fated boy noticed what? Noticed the truck. Noticed it. Noticed the truck. Truck means it. Proper pronoun is here. But before he could go to the other side, what is here given? Other side of the road, who ran over by the speedy truck. What a shocking news for us. With a speedy truck, the truck didn't stop. The truck didn't stop, rather it speeded away. Very shocking news for us. Okay, number D is done. The day is what? The day is Wednesday. The day is Wednesday. Okay, what's happened then? So with some friends we are going to our village home. Going to village home. Then after walking for 5 minutes, then what happened? We reached the station. After walking, then we reached the station. Okay, the train arrived. Few minutes. Train arrived when? When did train arrive? We reached the station. The train arrived within. Sorry, it should be within. Within a few minutes, all of us got into a second class compartment. When the train reached our small station, it was about to be dusk. It was in the evening time. It was about to be dusk. We didn't find any rickshaw there. Then what's happened? We didn't find any rickshaw at the station, so we went home by walking. Okay, it also done. The last one is here. E number. Independence is the right of a man. Right of a man. But no nation can achieve it. Where is the word achieve? Achieve is here. No nation can achieve independence then without struggle. Our war of independence took place. Here should write took place. When it was took place in 1971. People of all walks of life joined the war with a smiling face to free the country. They fought face to face the enemy. They didn't run away. Showing their backs. Many died while fighting. Again, many of them were killed. Also. Okay, then the last one. Today we remember them with profound respect. Profound respect. So this is all about our today's gap filling. We have finished our 5 gap filling one after another. Now take your SW. This is SW number 9. Your SW is a letter. Suppose one of your friend's father or mother died, then you need to express your condolence to your friend's father's or mother's death. Now write a letter to your friend expressing condolence to your friend's father or mother's death. The SW number should be 9. So this is all about our today's class. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Our today's class was about a gap filling, how to fill up the gaps. Information will be given in the table. You have to pick out the information from the table and fill the gaps according to the sentence. Take your SW and collect the previous SW also. At the top of your SW page, write down the lecture number and SW number also. Don't forget to write down the date. So listen to your parents. Don't go outside. If you go outside, then wear mask. Keep listening. Keep watching our videos and practice for annual examination. Thanks for hearing us with patience. Allah Hafiz.